Hello everybody, welcome back to another Carolina Weather Authority weather update. Currently we do have a moderate risk for severe weather in effect for South Dakota and Minnesota. We'll get into that later. Let's take a live look at national radar. So we do have one tornado warning, which is going to be for Canova, just north of Salem, and south of Winfred in South Dakota. This is just a warning, not confirmed. Let's take a look at velocity data. It was pretty pronounced earlier. If I can go back a few scans, like maybe about when, like right there, that's where that couplet was. If we can switch over to GR2, I can show you that better. So here we have GR2 analysts. Let's go all the way back, pump it forward to right when that warning was issued, right there. So we had a pretty solid couplet going, which has diminished. So I think they'll probably end up, they'll probably end up canceling this tornado warning. We do have a considerable damage threat, severe thunderstorm warning just south of that, so that's another thing to keep your eye on. Let's switch over to our categorical outlook for the United States. So you do have a marginal outlook down in Florida, and then general thunderstorm outlook in the Carolinas and all of Georgia. But then over here in Minnesota, you have that moderate outlook. This is going to be for mainly a tornado threat. So Minneapolis and Sioux Falls, you're both, I'd say you're in it based off of how close you are. Marshall, you're in it. And here's some more towns that are in it: Park Rapids, Watertown, Tracy, Stewart, St. Cloud. Take a look at our tornado probability. So this is a 15% chance right here inside of that. And then you do have the 10%, which is that yellowish color. The brown is 5, and then green is 2. Now this scale only goes up to 60. Let's take a look at our SIG tornado risk. So everything in this hatched risk has a chance of a EF2 or stronger tornado. It's a 5% within 25 miles of a point. So that includes the entire 10% area. Take a look at hail, 15% SIG, I believe. Yep. And wind, that's 45% right there. So decently high. Let's go back to categorical. Let's go ahead and take a look at our radar with satellite and temperatures. So as you can see, we do have a line of clouds coming in right here. That, I believe, is going to be the front. Yeah, so that's the cold front right there. Got low pressure over, and we do have it. I'll get to that system that's down there later. Some storms in Georgia and near Charleston, South Carolina. Mostly cumulus clouds over most of the nation. And then we have our storm risk up here. So let's switch over to our Futurecast. and I'll talk to y'all when I'm ready to add on. I'll be right back.